Just bought this for hopefully never to use it. So it's something that is essential for like emergencies. It's good to take with you on road trips. Keep one in your car. Now I bought this one for my college student kid that's going to college for little simple cuts in here and there. You know, you want to make sure you cover yourself with the right kind of coverage, right? Band-Aid, that's pretty much it. And also the neosporin and other accessories in here too. So if she never uses it, hopefully it stays in the box. So let's see what you get when you get some of this. So out of the box, you get everything well stacked in here. First aid instructions. Also, they give you instructions how to, set some of these things up, and also calling information and maybe other emergency procedures in here. So it's good to handy to read over your manual. And then of course you get everything in. I'm not going to touch everything. I want to keep it sanitized as possible as I can, but you get all the bandages all nice and neat, including this, and it has a lot of adhesive in this thing. All right, a couple of different sizes of bandages, and yas, the big yases, right? So very simple out of the box. And these are alcohol little wipes, all right, for a lot of small little cuts. I forgot to mention that there's Tylenol in here. All right, it's all the way in the bottom. It's hidden here. So it just comes in handy just to keep this around you in any kind of emergency. So out of the box, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.